Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I wouldn't say it'll be a tutorial. I would say it'd be more like a demonstration, like one of those videos like, hey, this is what I'm doing to my hair, and I decided to record it because it's very brief. I just want to kind of show you what I've been doing to my hair as of lately and how I've been just like protecting my hair. So that's what this video will be about. I'll get into what hair I use and all that in the end of the video. But guys, before you get started, go ahead and just subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification button. I'm very aware that most people miss the videos because they're not hitting the notification button, so they don't know when I am uploading. So I appreciate if you hit the notification button. I'll come back and talk to you guys. Alright guys.
Alright, so I want to inform that I also recorded this video at the end of last year, and excuse my energy. I believe I was sick, tired, or getting over being sick. So excuse my energy in the beginning and the end of the video. So again, what I did is use my DIY spray, great spray, and then I detangled my sections. Then of course use my Shine Gel to kind of make everything look polished from the roots. So for most part, I've always did a knotless seamless twist just because I feel like a lot of twisting and manipulation at the roots would definitely cause breakage. So I love the knotless seamless twist, especially around the edges. So again, the hair is maybe 38 inches long, so it's not that long. So what you see me doing here is dividing two strands here and then crossing them over from the ends at the top to elongate the hair. And that's how I was able to get my twist to be longer. So right here, what I do is I twist one side of the hair, and then the other side, I don't twist it. I actually just cross it over and then begin the rope twist method. And I love doing it this way because, again, it gives you that knotless and the seamless twist, so it looks really natural from the roots. And I've always pretty much, again, have done it like this. If you want to achieve the knot technique for the seamless twist, you want to make sure you rope twist both sides. So I will explain it again. I hope all of this is making sense, but I just proceed to continue doing the rope twist as I go down the hair, and in the end I make sure I braid. I believe I braid to kind of secure the twist to make sure it doesn't unravel, to keep the tight tension with the twist, and then I just add a little gel at the tips. So the hair is already pre-stressed, so it does make it easy to help add those two strands together from the top to elongate the hair. Again, I'm going to demonstrate this on the last twist. I'm taking the hair apart and I crisscross at the top. One side, I'm going to do the rope twist method. And so again, it's not tight. I'm not trying to do it really tight to form that knot. And then I just crisscross that other side over, not twisting it. And then once I wrap it around the first twist, that's when I start doing the rope twist method, and I proceed on that way. Typically, when I'm doing any braids or twists, I really try to go where my edges are out of the twist, so I do not have to pull on my hair. I'm trying to make sure to keep my edges. And right here, I ride at the ends, and here's the trick. You know the band that connects the rod together to keep the rod in place in your hair? Sometimes that breaks off. There's a lot of just from manipulating the band too tight, or it wears out. I use a bobby pin to keep that in place. So you don't have to throw those rods out or try to continue snapping that band back onto your rod. Just use a bobby pin. It definitely will work in keeping everything in place. Here I'm oiling my scalp with my DIY oil. Some of you are oil I've been using for years and years. So here, again, I'm doing my edges. I try for most part to keep most time my edges out because I do like that, I don't know, that messy look in the front, also in the back as well. But guys, these are the final results.
Let's get into what hair I use. So I use the Super TZ4 braid, Super TZ hair, and it's by Supreme. This is the hair here. It's made by Supreme. So the hair, oh, excuse me. Anyhow, this is a lot of hair. I believe I bought 4 packs because I didn't know how much hair I would need, because I wasn't really sure what I was going to do to my hair. I just wanted to buy the hair. Anyhow, I found out that this hair has 4 bundles in it, so you get a lot of hair for, I forget how much I paid for it. Anyhow, it's already dipped in hot water. It's super smooth. Again, it's really easy when applying it into your hair, meaning that your hair don't, you know, after so many braids, your hair feels a little tired, it feels a little rough, whatnot. It doesn't do that to your hair. I mean, again, me sliding through my braids is pretty easy, especially since they are jumbo braids. This hair, again, has 4 bundles and it's 38 inches long. So first, when I first put the Senegalese twists in him, they were definitely shorter than this. They probably stopped right above my breast area. And again, I wanted them to be not too long, but yet not too short, and I found that to be a little too short for me. So you do see me demonstrate how you know, elongated the hair, and that's what I came up with. So again, 38 inches long, that's not bad. And you see all the products I use. So I use my DIY spray, my DIY scalp oil. I'm just trying to go back into using my products because I seen that my hair was flourishing and it was obtaining the moisture once I use the products that I make. But again, for right now, like certain products I do I use like the deep conditioner shampoos, like Soapbox. I think I did do a video here on YouTube using their shampoo and conditioner, which makes my hair very soft and manageable. And then I further it on with like leave-in conditioner and like the Shea Yogurt by Avocado. So I use their leave-in conditioner, the Shea Yogurt, and what else do I use? And then I use a deep mask. So what I've been doing, because I had my hair in the spring twist, so I have already seen that video before this video, but anyhow, the spring twist, I try to deep condition my hair in between styles, and also in between my protective style, try to make sure my hair rests within like a few days before popping braids right back in. So that's kind of what I do is once I take a set of braids or protective style out of my hair, I just kind of look over my hair, make sure everything looks good. If I need my ends clipped, if I feel like my hair needs a little TLC here as far as protein, moisturizer, whatever, I make sure I take care of the needs of my hair, and then I put it right back into this protective style. So again, I love Senegalese twists. I'm really on this twist thing. I'm thinking about doing Nubian twist next, something much shorter but much curlier, I guess. So I don't know, I'm like in between, or I'm not really into the box braids right now, so maybe a couple of months from now. But these are the Senegalese twists. So I did these twists early in the year, and I think with these twists when I did it early in the year, I didn't have as many parts of me. So this time I put a little bit more part in here, because yeah, especially in the crown area, so they feel a little bit like a tad bit heavier than my other ones, but I'm not tripping. I definitely can get used to them. For most part, through the week, I always have my hair up in a ponytail or in a high bun, and I kind of just rock my hair like that. I find out my hair, I leave it like that. I don't tug. Even with my protective style, I do not do a lot of tugging and twisting, because that also can pull your hair out if you're doing too much pulling, especially if you had a protective style like braids, box braids, something like this, where you pulling at the edges, and you know, that can also tear your hair out. So I always plead to people, like always beg, like when you first get your protective style, especially like braids, box braids, twist, fold offs, anything like that, make sure you do not tug at your hair at first, because you know your hair is a little tight at the beginning and you don't want to pull your hair out. So this is considered the beginning, but what I try to do, I try not, especially when you're doing any type of twist or fold offs, I try not to twist a lot around my edges. So I kind of always leave, I normally leave more edges out than this, because I kind of like it messy look in the front. But I didn't do it this time, because I know, again, Senegalese twist, I love the way when it gets old, it just looks natural at the root. So I love that part of the twist. So other than that, guys, this is it. I try to keep my protective styles in my hair like 3 weeks. I try to push for a month, but preferably I like to do 3 weeks, because I want to go ahead and like wash and condition my hair and give it the TLC it needs. So I try not to go any longer than a month or so. So that's just because I'm doing my own hair. If I wasn't doing my hair and I was actually spending money, of course I'll have it last a little longer, at least a month and a half. But by me doing my own hair, you know, I save money and all of that, so I don't mind taking my hair down, redoing it every 3 weeks. So I have extra packs of hair. If you want to get some from me, I'll link it down below. Just my information down below if you want to get some hair from me. But anyhow, I love this hair. I promise you, if you try this hair, you're gonna absolutely love it. I'll see if I can get this hair in a longer inch for the ones who do not want to you know, elongate the hair, but it was super easy to do and it takes no time to do. But yeah guys, so stay with me on my protective style journeys. I have I will have more protective styles coming to you guys really soon. So again, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification button, because I'm pretty sure that you all do not know I'm uploading. I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but they're not checking for you girls. So guys, please subscribe and hit the notification button. Alright guys, I think that's pretty much it. I want to say I'm a twist. Yeah. Alright guys, till next time, bye. I just love the look of twists. They like the road twist.